123 here, and by the title of this video, Hurricane Irma is heading towards Florida. So just wanted to make this video telling everybody in Florida, if you guys are in Miami on the coast, on the coast, please evacuate immediately. Hurricane Irma is coming, and yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that. And Hurricane Irma is at a category 5 right now. By the time it reaches Miami, it'll be a category 4. I have to go lock up my dogs. My Bubbles almost ate. My dog Bubbles, she almost killed the chicken, but I have to lock her up. But so, yeah, Hurricane Irma. Let's get back. Hope you guys like that little clip of Hurricane Irma, or what it looks like. The tracking of where the pictures, another picture is gonna come up on the screen of where it's gonna be going. So my perspective is going to go like this, upward, like that. It already touched land, not in Miami yet, but in a little bit more down. And hope you guys like. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Video is going to come out too about Hurricane Irma, another update. The winds is going at 185 miles an hour. Speed of it is going 60 miles an hour. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Hopefully everybody's getting prepared and ready for the hurricane. If you guys are on the coast, don't forget to evacuate immediately. Get to someplace safe. But take your dogs, everything that you need, especially documents, birth certificate, things that you can't replace. So, hope you guys have liked this video. Please leave a like, subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's update. And please share this with family and friends in Florida. Take care.